Notes in the experiment. To safely hold the battery in place, use a battery holder. Students get confused about using this. Remind them that this is the positive and negative terminal. This side with a spring is the negative terminal. This side without a spring is the positive terminal. This side with a red wire is the positive terminal. This side with a black wire is the negative terminal. Also, remind students about the battery's terminals. This flat end is the negative terminal. This protruding end is the positive terminal. Push the negative end of the battery against the spring. The battery is now in place. If we put the battery's positive terminal first, it will be hard to put the negative terminal. Sometimes, students put the battery without checking the terminals. Then they wonder why the bulb will not light up. The reason is that the battery's terminals are inverted. Let's look closely at the battery holder. The positive terminal has a round metal at the center. It is connected to this red wire. This black wire is connected to the negative terminal. If the wires get disconnected from the terminals, the battery holder will not work. So remind students not to pull the wire hard. This way, the wires will still be connected and the holder can still be used. To make it easier to connect a bulb to a circuit, put it in a socket. Do not push the bulb. Rather, screw it into the socket. This will hold the bulb securely in place. Notice that the socket has a grooved band. It matches well with the bulb screw thread contact. At the center of the socket, there is a round metal. This connects to the bulb's electrical foot contact. At the base of the socket, there are two holes. The holes make it easy to connect the socket to wires. There is another metal plate at the bottom. This is connected to the round metal inside the socket. With this, wires hooked into the holes get connected to the bulb. The base of the socket also has an orange part. This is an insulator. It separates the two metal plates to avoid the short circuit from forming. All these features make it easy and safe to use a socket. This is a closed circuit. Two batteries are connected in parallel. Current flows from this positive terminal through the bulb into this negative terminal. Also from this positive terminal through the bulb into this negative terminal. This other circuit also has batteries in parallel. Check the entire circuit if the bulb does not light up. Check if all wires are connected. Check if the holder's terminals are connected correctly. Check if the batteries have enough power. If not, replace them. Check the bulb. If it is not correctly put in socket, fix it. If it is broken, replace it. What will happen if we connect many batteries in series? Let's test and see. Connect one battery to the bulb. Notice that the bulb lit up. Connect two batteries in series. Wind the red wire of one holder with the black wire of the other holder. Touch the wire to the socket. Notice that the bulb is brighter. Connect three batteries in series. Wind the red wire of one holder with the black wire of the other holder. Touch the wire to the socket. Notice that the bulb is even brighter. Connect four batteries in series. Wind the red wire of one holder with the black wire of the other holder. Touch the wire to the socket. Notice that the bulb is even brighter. Connect five batteries in series. Wind the black wire of one holder with the red wire of the other holder. Be careful not to touch these wires to other wires. This way, a short circuit will not form. Move the bulb farther away from the holders and wires. Touch the wire to the socket. Notice that the bulb lit up and then went out. Look closely at the bulb. Notice that the bulb burned out. Remember to not connect too many batteries in series so that the bulb will not burn out. Turn off the room's light to see the LED's light more clearly. Connect the red wire to the long pin. Connect the black wire to the short pin. Notice that the LED did not light up. Add another battery. We now have two batteries in series. Connect the red wire to the long pin. Connect the black wire to the short pin. Notice that the LED lit up. Connect three batteries in series. Connect the red wire to the long pin. Connect the black wire to the short pin. Notice that the LED dimmed. It also smells bad. The LED is broken.